What's going on, everybody? John B here. Came out to Mayfield Road in Monroe County to the river, Talladega River. Came out here to take a few pictures, and I've already taken the pictures, but hadn't started my video yet. Got out here and was trying to get everything set up. But yeah, this is the river I came to. It's very beautiful. You can check it out, the water, nice sounding water flowing. It's peaceful out here. Got the turtles on the rocks. Then you got the other side here. Just calm water on this side. More turtles on the rock, and got a rope swing out there. I don't know if you can see over. Yeah, really nice and quiet out here. But I use my Sony A7III with the Tamron 28-75 lens. I got a 6-stop ND filter on it, along with a circle of polarized to break the glare off the water. And I was shooting around 4 seconds. Get a little bit of movement in the water. Like I was saying, I was shooting 3 to 4 seconds to get some motion in the water. It's all beautiful. I think I was at F13 and F14 the whole time. ISO 100. But yeah, I'll have all these pictures up and for sale. If anybody's interested in them, just hit me up, and or you can go to my website, johnbphotography.net, and you can check them out there. Also, you can find me on Facebook at John Belknap Photography, and on Instagram, JohnB_photos. And thanks for watching the video, and enjoy the photos, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.